ladies, it's Amos. Thank you so much for subscribing to my channel and watching my videos. If you ever have any questions or comments, you are always free to leave those below the video, or you can send me an email at shopwithamos@gmail.com. Stay tuned for this video. It is about the Piphany Manhattan jeggings. Oh my gosh, girls, they're amazing. And if you ever want to shop with me, join my awesome plus size community. Everybody is welcome to come. Shopwithamos.com on Facebook. All right, let's get to it. I'll be honest with you, I've never owned a pair of jeggings in my life. I don't own jeggings because I am a boot cut fan. I have some leggings, but you know, leggings to me just aren't, they just don't bring the sexy back, okay? So I was curious about these jeggings because I knew that they would be form-fitting like a legging, but they have the durability of a pant, which to me means no having to worry about any leggings ripping when you're out in public, okay? These are incredible, okay? They are a ponte material. So ponte is like a real pant. It's kind of like a cottony twill-based, very structured pant. Almost kind of holds you in, but the beautiful part of the jegging part is that you can actually still be like super, super flexible, okay? Now I've done all these moves and I have not had to adjust my waistband. The rise right here is absolutely wonderful. It goes nice and high, which I love. It has the faux pretend of the zipper and a faux pocket here. So if you wanted to be someone who showed the top of your pants, you absolutely could, okay? Now let's talk about the real freaking pockets in the back. Oh my goodness. Nice deep pockets. They have that jean kind of look to them. These are nice and cottony and they are like jet midnight black. I absolutely love it. They have a nice matte finish. They're not shiny and they feel very, very good on. Almost, they're flexible, but there's something very structured about them that actually feel like it's almost like a minimum kind of leg girl. So really holding my leg in. I do have cellulite. I don't think you see a lot of it. It's very, very minimal. And now what I want to tell you is that they are nice and tapered all the way down. And then because I'm 5'9", I think that there's a little bit of extra bagginess at my ankle, but it's still very tapered that I probably could get away with a little bagginess at the bottom and not really care. And I could wear Mary Jane's with this and it would be fine. These are going to be awesome with tall boots in the fall for sure, and the winter. And if it's a little bit too poochy on the bottom for you, I just want to make sure that you can really see they don't really come out too much, so it's not loose. Now I wore these around the house all day yesterday. Now it's today. They still have kept their shape. It's amazing. But if you don't like that extra gathering, you simply can roll it up for a summer look with your show off your pedicure and shoes, or you can just roll it and tuck it in. By tucking it in, it's an affordable way to not have to pay for a hem job. And you just fold it in and it really doesn't buckle out that much. So I don't think anybody would even know that you just folded in about 3 inches of your pant. This is a wonderful, wonderful jegging. I am convinced. I have never owned jeggings. This is my first pair. There's about 6 different colorways, including kind of like a faux denim available on Piphany. If you want to check them out, you've got to join my group, shopwithamos.com. These are really, really awesome. The only downside that I see is because they feel so much like a pant, like a nice, soft, cottony kind of twill pant, I keep wanting to put my hands in my pockets, but there's no pocket. And I actually kind of like, I have to get used to it. It's like a mental thing. But what I love about it is that this actually keeps my belly in, and I love that it's really nice and smooth. Now, I might not wear it with a tank top, but I really wanted you guys to see how it really, really fits. I like that, yeah, my cellulite's there, but it's not like super, super noticeable. And I think that these pants are gonna look great with a lot of the tops that are currently in your closet, as well as all the awesome Piphany tops that I'm gonna be doing videos for. So if you have any questions or comment, post them below the video. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And I just want to say thank you so much for watching and subscribing. And remember, girls, with me on your side, you're gonna rock your closet.